Good day, South Africa, and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's what we are looking at this Saturday. Wet and cold weather across KwaZulu-Natal and parts of Mpumalanga, and evening thunderstorms are forecast for parts of the interior. Scattered thunderstorms are expected to set in on Sunday for much of the interior. In the meantime, here's a look at the most recent satellite picture, where we still have mostly clear skies across much of the interior, and things are starting to look good for the MTN-8 to tie in Port Elizabeth this afternoon. But it's a different story for the southeastern parts of the country, where we have this area of high pressure which is pushing in a lot of cloud into these parts of the country. We also have storm-bearing clouds drifting into the central parts of the country. So it's going to stay cloudy to overcast with rain and drizzle for the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, much of KwaZulu-Natal, eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Then in the evening we are going to see thunderstorms setting in over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending eastwards into the Northwest and Free State, as well as parts of Gauteng. It's going to be mostly fine across western South Africa. Then on Sunday, scattered thunderstorms are forecast all the way from northern South Africa into the southern areas. Cloudy, rainy and drizzly weather is forecast for eastern KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It's going to be largely dry and partly cloudy along the west coast. We are expecting up to a 60% chance of rain for the rest of your Saturday along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. The chance of precipitation decreases as we go further inland. Here's a Metro Vision picture for Durban. It's going to be mostly cloudy to overcast with the rain throughout the day, and afternoon temperatures will barely make it to 18 degrees. Light to moderate winds are forecasted this afternoon across the bulk of the country, but it's going to be rather breezy for Gauteng, fresh winds as well for East London and Port Elizabeth. It's going to stay warm this afternoon for the northern parts of the country as well as the west coast. Appington and Vredendal reaching the upper 20s, a comfortable 24 for Cape Town. Highs in the upper teens are forecast along the south coast as well as the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. A warm 25 in Pretoria. Joburg peaks at a mild 23 degrees. Comfortable overnight temperatures are forecast across the bulk of South Africa. It's going to be rather warm for Appington, dropping to around 18, 17 for Springbok, but rather chilly for Sutherland with a minimum of around 3 degrees. 13 in Cape Town, minimums in the mid-teens along the Eastern Cape and KZN coastal areas. Johannesburg will drop to around 11 degrees. Unsettled weather is forecast on Sunday across much of the western and central interior. Rain for Richards Bay and Mbombela. It's going to be dry in Gauteng, but on Monday, thunder showers are forecast for the province. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.